Good morning everyone, 6 a.m. The sun is almost out. I found an RV park for the night yesterday. It was close to the gas station, so I took it. I also saw a car wash station, so I'm gonna go now and wash the car. It's due, so that's it. I'm gonna hit the road and I'll talk to you later. So now what? Well, it looks like I reached a dead end here. It's not going anywhere. It looks like a private property, and so I'm gonna backtrack and see if I can get back on the trail somewhere. I'm not sure how far back I'm gonna have to go, but let's see. So I found a trail and I had to go through this to find it. Yeah, you don't see a road or a trail here. That's normal because there are none. So that was fun. It smells good though. Hey folks, little shaken right now. I had a fire event in the Jeep. I was driving up the mountain and it's starting to smell like wood burning, like fire. So I thought that it was the like California wildfire. Then I put my head out and couldn't smell anything, so I said, well, that's weird. I couldn't see any fire around here. So then I went out, stopped right away, opened the hood, and sure enough I could see the flame from underneath the engine compartment, like all the way down there. So I grabbed the fire extinguisher and then spray in it. I didn't take it out because it was underneath the car. And at that point, the fire extinguisher was empty, so I had to get my jerrycan of water and then my spray bottle here, and then just splash it out underneath. And I was able to get it under control. Now I'm good. I'll do a full report later. Like I said, a little shaken right now, so I'm gonna go to the campground, have a drink, and then I'll do a fire event report. That's it for now. What a day! So I made it to the Light Creek campground, and they have water, so that's good. I'm going to be able to fill up my shower and rinse off the ashes, the dust, the fire extinguisher powder and all that. But first I'm going to have a drink and eat something, and like I said earlier, I'll make a little video on the fire event today. So that's it. Again, what a day it was. A lot of emotions. So talk to you later, probably tomorrow. Bye.